Okay, so we can see here, if we have a look at this code, we'll skip the function for a second. We've got word1 where the user inputs something and stored in the variable word1. We've got word2 is hard coded to the string silent. So word2 is a string variable. And then we have a little if statement here. If sorted word1 is equal to sorted word2, print yes. And we also have a function up here called isAnagram, which takes in two arguments, w1 and w2, and in there it's got if sorted w1 equals sorted w2, then return true, else return false. So without further ado, let's get into the question. So when the program is run, the user is prompted to enter a word. If the user enters the word listen, in which case the output should look as follows, because listen and silent are allograms of each other. Let's test it. So run there, we put in the word listen, and what do we get here? We get a nothing. We get nothing happening here. Should say, oh, and it doesn't say yes, because in fact I put in listen not in all capitals. It must be all capitals for the moment. So Control N to clear my shell. So let's run it again now. Let's put in listen all capital letters, and we'll get a yes out now. So previously listen had small letters, and that wasn't equal to capital letters silent, so it just skipped over the if statement and I got nothing. Alright, so first part A here, make the following changes to the program. Currently the value of the variable word2 is hard coded to silent. Modify the program so that it prompts the user to enter the second word, and then assign whatever value the user enters to the variable word2. Okay, so let's go for that. I'm literally going to copy this, and I'm going to throw in enter, is it the second word, I think it was called. Let's just double check my sheet here. So enter the second word and sign into word2. So that's done that. So let's test it here now with listen and silent. So listen and silent here. So just save it. Let's turn on my caps locks, and we'll go for listen and for silent, and we hit run or enter, and we get yes. So that is part A done. See you in part A, part 1. See you in a minute for part 2.